G'day and welcome to Gray's Builds. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and assembly and first test print of my new toy tool, the Creality Ender 3 Pro. Had some audio issues with my microphone throughout this video. I've ordered some new gear, so I'll do a bit of voiceover all the way through, but I apologise for the audio issues. Okay, let's get into the unboxing. Creality does a really good job with the packaging of the Ender 3 Pro. It comes partially assembled. Just lifting out the main assembly here, you can see that that's all pre-assembled. Just be careful of your dad's table that you don't dent it. 2 layers in the box. Comes with all the tools that you need. Again, protecting dad's table. That's the controller. I'm just showing on the back the controller is open at the back. And one of the first prints that you can do is to create a cover for it, so that'll be a handy one to try out. So this is the main assembly, that's the extruder, or the hot end I should say. As I said, comes with tools, pretty good instruction sheet, not a real lot of words on it, but some pretty good pictograms, and very well laid out for all the parts in little baggies, well numbered and easy to understand. Just pulling apart all the baggies here, making sure that everything's there. There are a few spares that come with it as well, so that's kind of handy. As I said, the baggies are well numbered. And of course, you can't do a job like this without having a beer. So without doing a fry bat, I'm having a Fat Yak. Beautiful beer. So after finishing wiring up and the bulk of the assembly, first of the upgrades here, this is a piece of Teflon tube to replace the tube. That's what the filament runs through. So I'm just adding that tube in here. Then I'm going through and adjusting all of the rollers to make sure that there's as little movement in the rollers as possible without binding, because that greatly affects the accuracy of the 3D printer. Making sure that it moves smoothly, yet doesn't have too much looseness, too high tolerance.
So let's see how the quality came out. A little bit of stringing between the ears, and I accidentally kicked the cord out at the last, which is why that little bubble's there. And the stringing is next to nothing. Yeah, that just rubs off. So I guess I tested the power out feature as well. The finish is amazing. Yeah, just a little bit of stringing between the ears, really. Underneath there is a support. And that comes out really easily. Bass is really nice quality. Very happy. Grays Builds has a new tool to the shed.
Anyway, that's it for the assembly and first test print. Really amazed at the quality that came out of it, and look forward to many little projects in the future for Grays Builds, helping me with my bigger projects. Anyway, hope you enjoyed it. Please like, share and subscribe. Cheers. Thanks.